If only your left or right AirPod is working, don't worry, this can be fixed. In this video, I'll take you through the fixes recommended by Apple, starting with the easiest checks before moving to reconnecting and completely resetting your AirPods. Step 1. Check charging. Put both AirPods inside the charging case, close the lid, and let them charge for at least 30 seconds. Open the case near your iPhone or iPad and check the battery percentage of each AirPod. If the AirPod that is not working has a very low battery or does not appear to be charging, clean the charging contacts and leave it in the case longer before testing it again. Step 2. Test one AirPod. Place the AirPod that is not working in your ear and leave the other AirPod inside the charging case. Close the lid and play some audio. If the AirPod starts working normally by itself, put both AirPods back into the case for about 30 seconds and then try using them together again. This can sometimes restore the connection between the two AirPods. Step 3. Clean the speaker. Check the speaker mesh on the AirPod that sounds quiet or produces no sound. Earwax, dust, or other debris can block the mesh and make an AirPod appear to be broken. Clean the AirPod carefully using a soft, dry cleaning method and avoid sharp objects or excessive liquid. If you have AirPods Pro, remove the ear tip so you can inspect the speaker mesh more clearly. Step 4. Check balance. On your iPhone or iPad, open Settings, go to Accessibility, select Audio and Visual, and check the balance slider. The slider should be positioned in the center between the left and right channels. If it has been moved toward one side, the opposite AirPod may become extremely quiet or completely silent, even though there is nothing wrong with the AirPod itself. Step 5. Reconnect AirPods. Open Settings, go to Bluetooth, find your AirPods, and tap the information icon beside them. Select Forget this device and confirm the removal. Put both AirPods inside the case, open the lid near your iPhone or iPad, and follow the instructions on the screen to pair them again. Reconnecting can fix Bluetooth or pairing problems affecting only one AirPod. Step 6. Reset AirPods. Place both AirPods in the case, close the lid for 30 seconds, and forget them from your Bluetooth settings. Open the lid and hold the setup button on the back of the case for about 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber and then white. Bring the case near your device and pair the AirPods again. Step 7. Update firmware. AirPods firmware usually updates automatically when they are connected to an Apple device. Put both AirPods inside the charging case, connect the case to power, close the lid, and keep it near an updated iPhone, iPad, or Mac that is connected to Wi-Fi with Bluetooth turned on. Leave them nearby for at least 30 minutes so any available firmware update has time to install.